Hello everyone. I'm very excited to share that it's been more than a month of my first internship from NPTEL at the Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar. I have got this internship through NPTEL course named The Joy of Computing Using Python. This is a 10-week virtual internship focused on the MERN stack, and I began this journey on 15th January 2026. Today is the 3rd March, and I'm happy to say that I have successfully completed 100% of the MERN stack lecture using TypeScript on Vibe. The Vibe platform looks like this, and here is my status of completion. After completing the core lecture, I moved into the case study phase. I finished the TypeScript implementation part, and now I have started working on React, focusing on building structured scalable front-end applications. Here is the case study, consisting of 4 parts. Each parts have multiple lessons. Each lessons have various sections, and in this section 6, there is a challenge which we need to implement using code editor and submit it using Google Form. This internship is giving me a real exposure to how full stack applications are designed in the real world. It's not just about writing code, it's about thinking in terms of architecture, scalability, debugging, and clean design. Since this is my first internship, it means a lot to me. It has boosted my confidence, strengthened my technical foundation, and most importantly, connected me with a professional learning ecosystem. I'm excited about what the remaining weeks will bring: more challenges, more learnings, and more growth. Thank you.